Today is vlogmas day 8. So guys, welcome to the vlogmas series. They see me at the merry-go-round on the area.
Just for the record, just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go get.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey guys, if this is the first time you're seeing this beautiful face, please don't make it your last by hitting the subscribe button. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. I love you guys so much for always supporting my channel, for always stopping by. You guys are the real MVP. Today is vlogmas day 8. So guys, welcome to the vlogmas series. This is just me doing an intro for this new vlog. I don't know how this vlog is going to turn out. I don't know. I really don't know what the future holds. But what I wanted to do in this vlog is I want to go out this weekend. I also want to go and see a new place like the last video that I did. If you don't see that video, please guys, please go and watch that video. Maybe I will leave it in the description box so that you can check it. My cousin is going to visit me today and I'm going to do her makeup. So I'm going to take you guys along with me and see the finished look. I'm not going to do a professional makeup, okay? She just wants to do a, let me say, no makeup look. And she wanted to take cute pictures for her birthday. So that is why she said, let me do a makeup. And that is what I'm going to do today. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video, okay? And please guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Come to me now. Say hi.
Hi.
No, just say
I don't understand.
Man no be God, make them they talk, I saw they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but then no get the answer.
Hey guys, I've done with the makeup. I hope you enjoy. I know I couldn't take you guys along. I just give you 2 or 3 clips. But yeah guys, I'm done with the makeup. Do you see how dirty my hand looks? My hand is so dirty with makeup. But yeah guys, I'm done and I will talk to you guys tomorrow, okay? This is 70.
No, watch out, fine.
How much will you give me a last now?
This too.
Now one.
You wanna sell give me the 45.
And charge me?
That's right. Now 7 times. Now sell give me the 45.
Only 35 now. Well, I'll give you 40.
45 for you.
If I can't put all the 45, I go for go buy.
You want the same 35
No, see, I'm fine.
now they say today.
Why you keep it on the inside now? Oh, okay, you never go cook it on the dead. We don't need the cancer. Yeah, but that's on the 40. You go bye.
I beg you know how they bake.
Well, I forgot the cow to fish na money. So me say go dey pick the fresh one there. If because I don't look out the last 2 there, then I can buy back the same price. We all man don't pick you. Now this they left give me.
Today this year I say to go now.
Where they say kind of money? I feel say the kind of money right now. Look time don't go. Where they go bye for me now? First all day.
No, also I don't come.
No. What's happening?
Well, put for me this. But next time, go they make a reasonable now, do I? Hey guys, I really don't want to show you my face, guys, because Look at how I'm looking. I'm in my husband's vest, and I'm also plaiting my daughter's ear because she is sleeping. Because if not, I don't think I will have the chance to plait her ear. This girl, she's very sensitive whenever I touch her head. Ooh, she wanted to wake. Just look. I've already plaited this part. It remains this part.
Go on with it, go on with it. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today is Sunday and I'm all dressed to go to church, and yeah guys, I just want to do a quick intro because I don't want to be late, and today I'm going with my daughter. So let me just show you my full fit and let us go, okay?
Jesus was born in a manger, but his star was raised. That attracted men. And today, no sign, nothing in the world where the gospel is not being preached. And every side this gospel is preached, you will come for learn that it is the best book you can ever read.
Hey guys, service is over and we are heading home. Yeah, watch. Yeah. Hi guys, so I just came back from church and I wanted to I just came back from church and I wanted to end the vlog here because I don't want the vlog to be too long. I want to cook, so that is why I'm going to end the vlog today, this Sunday. I want to cook gravy and I'm going to put eggs in it. Let me not waste any of our time and let's go and cook. Get black pepper, curry, okay, pull out. Get time. Good time. No, it's okay. Okay. Nice. Give me tap. Give me 2 tap. I vlog at the vlog and see in a YouTuber. So I can do video there. Okay. Okay, I'll go buy your leg outside. Lord left this now. I left some from the corner. Guys, now they see me at the merry-go-round in the area. Today's Sunday, so I'm not get time for go na market for go bye. So I decide for go to the area and buy 2-3 things there I need. So now that's how they do right now. I go and buy at the area, then small shop there, then small market there. I don't call people in compound for come buy oil because I'm not getting oil right now. I say I lost pound Oh, I can meet outside our lock. And I say, I'll go do buy now. I go to this gate open. Okay. No, don't put gate outside. I don't try. Where's my ear? What do you mean? Another oil. Yeah, bas. Yeah, so give me 1 pound. Okay, take care. So guys, these are the things that I bought. I am back from the market. So guys, these are the things that I end up buying. I bought these onions and pepper, and I also bought salt because I ran out of salt, and my seasoning cubes and seasoning powder, and I also bought garlic, tin tomato and oil, yeah, plus egg. So I'm going to cook. First of all, I go ahead and steam the fish in a different pot, and this is the rice. My rice is ready. So the next thing that I do is to fry the onions, and you know me, I'm craving oil, so that is why today the oil is too much. I don't know what is wrong with me today. So I go ahead and put the pepper, because I fry the onions for 2 minutes, then later on put the pepper. So what I'm doing now is putting the garlic and the seasoning powder and also the seasoning cube. Then I will let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then I will later check it again, then put the fish. So this is the fish in a different bowl, and it's already steamed. So I'm going to put it in the pot and give that a good mix, and I will also put the egg, then I will let it cook for 1 more minute, then our stew is ready, guys, and it's absolutely delicious, okay, if I can say it myself. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys sooner than later. So guys, let us dish our food. If you're going to try this dish, please leave a comment, okay? This is absolutely delicious, and I cook this with catfish. Just imagine the taste of a catfish, and the egg is a game changer. I thought the egg will make the taste change, but like give it a weird taste. In fact, the taste is just chop kiss. If you are a lover of egg, please try this dish. So guys, chop time, let us eat, okay? And I have this with Maltina to step it down. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Love you guys so much. Bye.